Today we are going to test the energy dispersive measurements of K and L absorption edges experiments. First, we would like to make sure that all connections are properly connected in our experiment according to this figure. So now we have these two cables for the detector are connected into the solid state detector inside the machine, the main machine here. This is the black one and this is the white one, are connected into the multi-channel analyzer. And this USB cable is connected to our PC here, and also the multi-channel analyzer is connected to our PC in this white cable here. Now we would like to turn on the power and test the solid state detector, which is on, maybe on here I think, because the multi-channel analyzer is already connected to the power. Let's turn on the power of the X-ray machine here, and then now the machine is on. Now we would like to close this window and turn off the light to make sure that the solid state detector is already on. It is green now. If we turn off the multi-channel analyzer, then it will turn off here once again. Then let's go back and turn on the multi-channel analyzer. Now the detector is on. Let's close this door and now turn on the light of the main machine, and let's close the window. And before we go on to the experiment, let's go here and reset the default settings of the X-ray machine. Then we go to the menu and go to the goniometer and then choose reset to default, and then we have everything is settled down. Let's turn on the X-ray on. Now the X-ray, the radiation is perfectly working here. And we choose voltage of the X-ray to be 35 voltage, and as we see here, 35 kilovolts, and the current is 1 ampere. Then let's go to the software and make a calibration of the X-ray. Double click here and then we choose these parameters. There is 1 to 2 coupling mode, and then we choose here the crystal start angle to be 0 and the crystal stop angle, let's choose this one to be 45 degree, and the crystal increment, let us choose this one to be 2 degree, and the integration time let to be 0.5 seconds, and then we start calibration. Then it's working now for calibration mode. Then let's go to the detector. As you see, it moves slowly. Then the connection between the main machine and the software calibration mode is working. Now we are very close from the final degree of calibration. It is now 43.6, now 44, and finally 45 degree. Now the calibration mode is finished. Let's go to the software now. Now we finished the firmware calibration process. Now let's make a complete process finished. And OK. Let's press OK here. But actually there is no data out from the calibration mode here. Let's go here also and make sure that there is no data already existed from the calibration. Then table, there is no data, and the next step, let's test the multi-channel analyzer. So we have to go back and go step by step with our manual here. As you see here, and in this point, the manual says that in the measure program, select the multi-channel analyzer under the gauge, then select settings and calibration. After calibration button has been clicked, a spectrum can be measured. The counting rate should be approximately 100 count per second. Energy calibrator setting 3-point calibration unit, kilovolt, and gain is 2. But actually, the multi-channel analyzer, there is no response in the software from that. Then let's go back here and close this window, and this go here. As you see here, the multi-channel analyzer is not activated, so we can't perform this step here. And we think that this multi-channel analyzer there is not connected, or there is no sense from this multi-channel analyzer to this PC here. We think that this is the main problem of our data here, of our machine here. So we will stop here, and because we have no more to do with our experiment, so we have to go back and say that if we close this light and then open our window, we can see that the solid state detector is working. It is on green now. And if we turn off the multi-channel analyzer now, then it is off now. I think that the solid state detector is working according to the email we have got from Mr. Ashraf. But the main problem still with us, there is no data output from this experiment because of there is no response from this multi-channel analyzer into our PC here, and also to our software as you see here.